Hi and welcome to Spice and Pans. Today we'll be cooking lemon chicken rice. So let's start cooking. First we'll marinate the chicken. I have with me over here 2 pieces of chicken thigh which I've halved. Total weight is about 600 grams. We will need 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 tablespoon of corn flour. Mix them up well and put them in the fridge to marinate for at least an hour. So I'll see you back in a while. Now we'll prepare the flour mixture for the chicken. We need half a cup of corn flour, 1/3 of a cup of all-purpose flour or plain flour, and 1 tablespoon of rice flour. Mix them up well. In the meantime, prepare some egg wash which we'll dip the chicken in. Get a piece of the marinated chicken, dip it in the egg wash. Try to drip off the excess egg wash. Put it inside the flour mixture. Coat them up well. We want them to be crispy, so this is a very important step. When you're done with this, we'll continue with the rest. Important thing is after you coat the chicken with the flour, you need to rest them for about 15 minutes to ensure that the flour actually stick onto the chicken. So continue to finish up the rest and I'll see you back in a while. Now we're going to make the sauce for the lemon chicken. I have with me over here 1 cup of water. I'm adding in the juice of half a lemon, half a teaspoon of salt. I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons of sugar. Give this a good mix first, just to make sure that it's sweet enough and sour enough for us. Now remember, we'll be adding cornstarch inside here, so now it doesn't need to be overpowering. It's good. Not very sour. If you like it to be a little bit more sourish, you can add in a little bit more lemon here. I think I can add in a little bit more. But just before that, I'm just going to get some zest out of the skin of the lemon. So just a little bit from the zest. Now, important thing is don't take the white part, otherwise your sauce will be very bitter. So just do it once and just turn it to the other side. Once, turn it to the other side. Of course, you need to wash your lemon before you do this. So I have some lemon zest inside here. I'm still going to add in 1 tablespoon of a lemon juice. So I think that is fine. Finally, we'll add in some cornstarch or corn flour. This is 1.5 tablespoons of the corn flour. Mix them in. So mix them up well. And we'll set this aside. Now we'll go and fry our chicken first. We are going to deep fry the chicken now. Let's check if the oil is hot enough. Using a bamboo skewer, put it into the oil. And if you see bubbles rising rapidly like this, that means the oil is hot enough. So now we will place our chicken in. Gently place the chicken in. Don't overcrowd the pot or pan. So I'm just going to fry 2 pieces at a time. Once you put the chicken in, do not move it around for the first minute or so because we want the crust to stay on the chicken. We want this to be a very nice golden brown color. Now you can observe that the crust has already stayed in shape. We'll turn it to the other side. Same for this also. I'm using medium to medium high heat over here. Don't turn the heat up way too high, otherwise you will burn the crust and yet the chicken inside will remain raw. If you want your chicken to be extra crispy, you can actually double fry this. If you are double frying, now is the time to take this out and rest them first before you reheat the oil to a very high temperature and putting them in again. So now I'm removing this because I'm going to do double fry. Oh, beautiful. I can feel the crispiness already. Now for the second fry, we need the oil to be very hot, so turn up the heat. Put in a bamboo skewer. If the bubbles are rising up very fast, that means it's ready. Now you'll see a lot of bubbles, or rather the oil getting very hot. This is removing a lot of moisture from the chicken and the chicken will be super crispy. The good thing about this is when you're doing a double fry, the oil will not be lodged inside the chicken and then it will not be too oily. Okay, as you can see now it's a very beautiful golden yellow color. I'm going to remove them from the oil. Do not turn down the heat, this is very important. Okay, we put this to rest and then we'll make our sauce now. Now we are going to cook the sauce. Make sure you stir them up well. Put it in. Now of course if you want your sauce to be more yellow in color, of course you can put some coloring, but we don't want to do that. We are having this at home. We do not need the sauce to be really yellow in color. We just need the taste to be good. Now fire setting, I'm setting this to medium low. We just need this to come to a boil and then to the consistency that we want. Keep stirring them, this is very important. As you can see, it's slowly thickening up already. We are going to test the consistency of this sauce. If it coats the back of the spoon easily, that means the sauce is done. Right, something like this would be good. We suggest that you drizzle this sauce on the chicken just before you serve them, or you can let your guests drizzle it themselves. Okay, time to serve this. And now our lunch is done. Let's have a taste. I'll drizzle some of this beautiful lemon sauce onto the chicken now. Just a little bit will do. Just to bring out the taste of the chicken. If you want to know how to make this chicken rice, just refer to the description box of this video. Let me try the rice first. Very fragrant. I'll try chicken now. Just give me a minute. The lemon sauce really brings out the taste of this chicken. A little bit tangy. Beautiful taste. Tastes really good. So ladies and gentlemen, I hope you like our lemon chicken rice. Do click like on our video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.